This next scene I want to underline is all about distraction. It's all about keeping your focus, being on your purpose. Everything we've seen to this point has instilled the standard that's in Spartans, how they show up, grounded in the face of chaos, unwavering in the masculinity, as of course, masculine the question, who am I? This scene, Leonidas is going to be tempted. He's going to be offered a bribe. I mean, the entire time, let's be honest, the lower caliber, the enemy, Xerxes, the king, from his first messenger to every lieutenant, they're always asking, put down the shields, give up, there's no use talking all this, yak, yak, yak. Let's see what they got. I just got to point out, Leonidas walking up on foot, man to man, and this cat is being carried by servants on a throne, a spectacle. I don't know what the hell this is. Trying to look hard while he does it.
Let me guess. You must be Xerxes.
Come, Leonidas. Let us reason together. It would be a regrettable waste. It would be nothing short of madness for you and your valiant troops to perish. All because of a simple misunderstanding. There is much our cultures could share.
Well, haven't you noticed? We've been sharing our culture with you all morning.
Yours is a fascinating tribe. Even now you are defiant. In the face of annihilation and the presence of a god. It isn't wise to stand against me, Leonidas. Imagine what horrible fate awaits my enemies when I would gladly kill any of my own men for...
And I would die for any one of mine.
You Greeks take pride in your logic. I suggest you imply it. Consider the beautiful lands you so vigorously defend. Picture it reduced to ash at my whim. Consider the fate of your women.
Clearly, you don't know our women. I might as well have marched them up here, judging by what I've seen. You have many slaves, Xerxes, but few warriors. It won't be long before they fear my spears more than your whips.
All right, now.
It's not the lash they fear. It's my divine power.
This 7 foot
I'm
tall
a generous god.
with
I
makeup.
can make you rich beyond all measure. I will be warlord of all Greece. You will carry my battle standard to the heart of Europa. Your Athenian rivals will kneel at your feet. If you will but kneel at mine.
Temptation.
You are generous, as you are divine, King of Kings. Such an offer only a madman would refuse. But the idea of kneeling, you see, slaughtering all those men of yours is, well, it's left a nasty crack in my leg, so kneeling will be hard for me.
There will be no glory in your sacrifice. I will erase even the memory of Spartan histories. Every piece of parchment shall be burned. Every Greek historian and every scribe shall have their eyes put out and their tongues cut for their mouths. Why, uttering the very name of Sparta or Leonidas will be punishable by death. The world will never know you existed at all.
That boy's shaking.
The
Shooketh.
world will know free men stood a tyrant, that few stood against many. And before this battle was over, that even a god king can bleed.
I gotta say, fam, genuinely, I'm so glad I went back to review and do a breakdown on this movie. The principle, masculine, who am I? To this 7 foot makeup wearing god talking trash, thousands of soldiers, I don't know, millions, like it's crazy. And he's still there cracking jokes, talking shit, let them know what it's gonna be. It's a beautiful demonstration, just the unabashed, unadulterated, unapologetic. Who am I? This motherfucker right here. Man. All right, fam, with that, I'll let you go catch the movie to get the rest of the story. But this has been the Architect's Breakdown. Thank you for tuning in as always. If you like content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm dropping new content every week. Blueprint breakdowns, YouTube lives on the way. Be sure before you go to hit that like button, give it a thumbs up. Let the algorithm know that men need messages just like this. And drop a comment down below. Tell me your favorite part of this movie and where any of these distinctions landed and hit you in the chest about what this grown man shit is about. And in the meantime, I'm going to be right here, being the best version of myself. One could say, beyond empowered. The question is, fellas, who are you going to be? Peace.